Okay, guys, see your boy Big Tank from Double South, and these are the last part of our video series for this website of the designer for Wegba. So, without reshare, and for those of you that follow me reach this place now, I'll sit tank on I know easy when I try. God go bless you now, when I try. So, what I go do? We'll see. This one not supposed to get stressed like that now. Not the footer. So the code here will just say we always do here when you need us, no level. I tell you. So stop by or just give us a call. Okay. Then if you look this place now, we'll get just one long line here. So maybe HR or something like this. Then here you say give us a call. We put the number for you. Leave us a note. We put your name, your email, and your message. So 2 input feed and 1 text saver on the button. And if you look at they'll be like outline. So they use the color for this background as their background color, meaning that they're transparent. Then this other place, I will get one place where I say come in for a drink or more. It's my bro, so say come in for a drink, no level. Go now, more kite now, bros go eat drink. You go ahead, come up for a studio. So come in for a drink. Get Bros Wegba Studios located directly opposite the Ogwan at 445 NL Road, Efro, Delta State, Nigeria. And mind you, these are just fictional, meaning it not they exist. If it exists and it stay for there, congratulations. But I don't know where that place is for that place. I just might put on the wildlife put you get just to show and say something like this. That go style now for you. So anyhow, I'm more just jump at the codes. More not talk too much now. More jump at the codes. So what I go do now, I'll come here. I could say footer. So I create footer. Come here and say footer. Mercy. I think we start with header now. So now we'll reach footer. So say footer. Inside the footer, I will create grid container. So the grid container now, I'll say dot grid 100. Grid 100, then more just say foot header. So this foot header now, we'll get H1. So the H1 now, also to right here again. We're always there when you need us, no level. Stop by or just give us a call. So this stop by now and give us a call now. They could do something like a span tag. While the other guys now could do maybe like H1. So come here now, see we always do here when you need us, comma, no level. So I go break that in corner now. Say be out, break arm. Might just break full and come down. Then I'll say span. Inside the span, I'll say stop by. Then outside the span, or just give us a call. So this one I'll say X span tab, then paste inside. Alright, so we don't get the H1 now. Inside this foot head. Then after this one, the grid 100, I think we'll get this line. That line at H arrow. So after the 100 now, before I do that, I'll just say H arrow here tab. Then I might just write the HTML the component. Then after the H arrow now, we'll get the main now, which is all this contact here. So I'll come here, I'll create a div, I'll give a class contact then. And it more safe this thing now. If you look at me, say you know like maybe 15 with 15. This other one now like with 55. Okay, master like with 50, then I'll put prefix now for here to shift them out small. Then so that this space could be on this space. So I'll give this one 15. I'll give this one 50, then put 5 to shift them out. That is 55. 55, 15, and I be 70. So it will remain 30. So the that 30 now, I'll give this one 25 now, then put 5 to push them out on that prefix here. So more do one quickly now. I'll come here and say dot grid 15 plus dot grid 50 dot prefix 5 then plus dot grid 25 dot prefix 5 tab. All right, so inside this first grid 15 now that will get this give us a call on this one. So this give us a call now. We'll wrap up for div now. We'll say contact details, each one, give us a call, then just create another list, then list items 3, put these numbers. So I'll just come here now. I'll say dot contact details. So circle that details now. We get each one. Each one will say give us a call. Then UL LI times 3. So the first one now, we'll see no idea now. So this number 2342978902345. Multiple. So I'll come here and say plus 2342978902345. Okay? 2345, correct. So the next one now 2340056105672. So I'll come here. I'll say plus 234 0056 10 5672. Then the last one, I'll look again, 234 0056 10 5672. The same thing now. Might just duplicate some here. So I'll duplicate, then delete this one. So more refresh our browser, more see what we get first. Okay. And not to find file, but no other. We don't find just now. So I'll come here now. This grid 50, I'll say dot contact form. Inside the contact form now, we'll see put H1. So the H1 I will type leave us a note. Should I use the type there now? Leave us a note. And I know they get input text area button. So I'll come here. After this one, after the H1, I'll say form. So this form now, I will put input. The input now go be text. Placeholder go be your name. Then in brackets, I go put required. I go duplicate this other one go be email. Then just put BR. Since this one go the float go right, this one go the float go left. I mean, this one go float go left, this one go float go right. I don't want to put class A target. I'll just come in and just type the CSS direct. I'll just type on direct here. So I'll say style float left. So I'll copy this code. I'll paste them here. And I'll say right. Okay, we'll not do this one. So after the BR now, we'll say text area. So the text area now, more common name. So ID. We're not going to need name, we're not in the ID now, so we're not in that here. Just come out this two. So column 30 rows 10. Might leave it like this. I'll say placeholder again. So the placeholder will be your message. Then underneath now, we'll create button. So the button, type submit. Then inside the button, we'll get i.far. Most wish this in BDSF. This will be like paper plane. A paper plane with this now. So we'll say FA paper plane. Okay. Then after the I, we'll type the send. SEND. We'll refresh the browser. Okay. Here they come. This button suppose any asha. What they do? And that's how I'll do again. I'll come this grid 25. Then I go say come in for a drink. So the same thing, the same drill. I'll say dot contact address. Inside contact address now, H1, come in for a drink. Coming for a drink, then P. Most is the right. Broswegba Studio is located at the opposite of Grant, 445 NL Road, Efron, Delta State, Nigeria. So I'll just type Broswegba Studio. The fun where they giving us a studio. Broswegba workshop. TB studio. One call the form you for all of us here. Broswegba workshop. Located opposite the Ogwan. When I need to Ogwan me, I not tell you. Go find out. Go find out. But you have to respect the Ogwan. You have to respect the Ogwan. If you don't respect the Ogwan, they'll tie you flog. Not pass like that. You have to respect the Ogwan. So I'll say 445. Okay? 445 NL Road, Efron, Delta State. 445 NL Road, Efron, and BRO tab. Delta State, Nigeria. You are president, they pronounce Nigeria. Fresh. Okay. So now, we'll all do the HTML part come out now. So now for us to style this thing. So we'll start from where now? We'll start from the footer. So what we'll go do, we'll go come here and I'll copy this thing over the divide. So I'll call this one footer. So this footer now, what I'll do, I'll say FOOTER. Make the background color. If you look this thing here, I don't know if it's the same. Now gradient, this side bright, this side dark. So more pick. I'll first pick this one. This side. Pick here. So Ctrl C and come back. So I say background image. Linear gradient to bottom. So bottom, hash this. Then I'm gonna go back. Pick here. Ctrl C, okay. Hash this. Alright, so I'll refresh. I get this. All right, so the next I go do, I'll screw this thing up small. I'll come down here. I'll say padding. Make the padding be 70 pixel, 0 pixel, 140 pixel, and 0 pixel. If you get high gauge, you can understand why I do it like that. You see, this top is small, the button is big. You see, now make this button now. Make sure it's bigger, but the top small. Then I'll come here. Box sizing. I like to do box sizing for all this for my box sizing. Border box. If I'm not putting it for Apple, don't beat me. So I just come down. I'll come down and say the font family for the footer, because all of them resemble each other, maybe Mada. Then font weight. I feel vary them later, sha. I'll put 300. Then the color. You get one color what I used before for this our series. EBEBED. Okay. So what I was doing is we'll work on this one for the now. So I'll come down, I'll say enter footer, look for the foot header. So when you find the foot header now, we will see make margin bottom now be like 75 pixel. I'll refresh. Okay. Then inside the foot header now, we'll target the H1. We'll target the H1 now. We'll give the font size of the H1. Font size 60 pixel. Then we align them, text aligner to the main door, which is the center here. I'll refresh and we'll get this. We'll do the command small. So now, what we'll do next now, we'll target this span them now. Target this span. So I'll come down here now, I'll duplicate this. And inside the H1, I'll get span tag. So what we'll do, we'll go reduce the fonts. Abi? No, not this one too. We'll not with this one. We'll change the color. We'll change the color. Which color we'll use now? Yeah, I'm gonna use this color up for you. So I'll just copy this one for top here now. Change color to this. If we first see them again, they almost vanish. But we'll not leave on there. We'll come back. We'll say background color. Maybe the background color now be this our color here. Now what would we use for the font? So it could be this one, refresh, and we'll get this. So all we need to do now to put padding, then increase the font width. Based on see this one tick past all these ones now. So I'll come here and I'll say padding 2 pixels for the top. Look at 2 pixels for the top. So I'll say 2 pixel, then 10, 12 pixel. Then font width, maybe the font width be like 500. Go back, go refresh. Okay. I like it like that now. I like it like that. So now we'll target this line for here now, which is this white one now. So what we'll do now, say footer, then I'll say H arrow. So the footer H arrow now, I'll just put border. Since it's the same color with that font now, which is this one now, I'll just say 1 pixel solid this guy. Refresh, we'll get on. So what we need to do next, now these other guys right now I need to style now. So I'll come here. I'll say at the contact now. Footer dot contacts space in that place. So we'll say margin top. Margin top could be like 75 pixel. You know, 75 they come from now. Should you know? They come from this foot head over there now. So can I enter the ring on my head since 75. So make I 75. I'll refresh and it don't push on down. So which one first time? Now move style this give us a call. Give us a call. Move style this guy. So to start this guy now, I could say you go enter this. You know what? All the H1 are the same. More target this H1 first. Inside the contact, look for all the H1. Then make their font size is smaller. So like maybe 30. Like maybe 30. Then all of them they left now. So text align left. Margin bottom. So that it goes space from their content now. 20 pixel. Then border bottom, which is the other line now. 1 pixel now. So we'll just copy this guy. Oh, I'll go refresh here. This here. So all we need to do now is to increase the font size. Oh, imagine. Okay. Now I got the wonder. I got the wonder. See how this thing got a. It's supposed to be fonts. Just imagine. See me. Don't fuck up this now. I'll say font size. Refresh. I'll tell you what. It don't come outside. But this font size, I make 30 pixels. Make me like this. So I make it like 20 first. Man, see. No. Now the 30 make me a big. So we'll leave on for 30. And we'll target this one also. So inside this place now, we'll see. Give us a call. Obviously, the text the thicker than the give us a call now. The thicker than the give us a call. So what to do? Yeah, I'm going to target her. I'll come here. I'll duplicate this. Come out the H1. I'll say dot contacts details. Then ULLI. So we'll see me the font size now. I'll be like 18 pixels. Business 18 small. Then more command transfer. Small you see. Move for C road. Font width 400. Turn as a tick now. Then we'll come out those dots. List style. None. More switch the play. Okay. It don't come out. If you look at me, the black 18 big one can be actually this Euro rotated one. Sense. Everything has sensors. So now more think of how we will do this one pass now. More think of how we will do the what was it called now? The form pass. So it's what I go do. I'll target this form and footer dot contacts dot contacts form inputs. So they say enter inside the footer, search for this contact now, which is where is it now? This contact. Then when you enter inside now, call look for contact form. When you see contact form now, call target this form for you now. Then if you target the form, search for the inputs. And this input won't work on us. So what we go do now? We go say maybe our width be 50%. So that I go share equal. And mind you, we already flows them for you now. We already flow them. Refresh. On the job conduct 50. Mode like 49 first. 49. More put box sizing. Box sizing. Border box. Okay. Border box. So now. Most see padding there. They don't come out the color. They color the placeholder. Oh yeah, more right code. So I'll come here. I'll say padding to be like 10 pixel. If you see the thing they separated a bit. But not to be like that here. So I'll just come here and I'll say margin bottom. Might just say margin. We'll see puts for the button later now. I'll just say margin 10 pixels top and bottom, then 0 pixel left and right. Then the next thing I'll say make the background color. Make the background color. So the given principle now, I'll use my RGBA and 25500 because I want to make it transparent 0. So if you look at now transparent idea now, so I'll go back and see. Come on. I don't so. 255 RGBA 25500. Okay, I'm not put command for you. Fresh. Okay, that gets it now. So I'll come here. I'll say the border. I'll say the same thing now with this one. I'll copy this one, put on here. Resize. This resize now text here I suppose did that here shall my liver. Come here, I want to get to say I will do that resize. I'll say make the color be the same as this one we copy for here. So I need the type, call the black. You get because right now, so if you start the type and you see the black. But as busy with put color, if I refresh now with the type and I see the color that they show white now on top of this background now. That's fine for I. So after the color, next I'll now say the font size might increase them to like 14 pixel. Then font family. I'll see open sans. So refresh and I like it like this. I like it like this. But the placeholder into white too. Into white. So what I'll do, I'll go select this, come down. I'll say placeholder. Then make the color still be this. So from input placeholder blah blah blah. Come. I never target this thing now. What did I do wrongly? Yeah. 2. It's supposed to be. It's supposed to be 2 normally. No mistake. Footer. Contact form. input place holder. I spell that correct now. What did they go, Sha? We'll dictate and later. What did they go? Maybe my go sense how they work. So I'll come here. I'll say the text area and I'm target them. So inside the contact form, look for text area. So definitely the color of the text, I'll get this one. I'll say resize none. Width must be 100%. Then we'll see put this background color on our transparent. After the color here. What else? What do we need again? We need border from this guy. Then font size, font family. Okay, the size now. So that's what we'll do again. See how this one common side. So that's the common side now. So we'll do padding. So I'll do the padding and the box sizing. So I'll just copy from the inputs and I'll paste them here. Refresh. That's sing. Alright. So now we'll get this one now. The next one we'll do now, we'll style the button. So to style the button now, we'll target contact form button. BUTTON button. So you're not supposed to get stressed now. We'll see border. We'll just copy this one too. Where you do? Border, place them here. Then still the same thing to background color. What else? Mind the safer. This one like so they duplicate code safe here. If we do something like this, if we copy this one, paste here, copy this one, then we copy the text area. Then it must get background color, border, the color, box sizing and padding. So Ctrl X, paste. Ctrl X, paste. And Ctrl X, paste. All their font size too. Even play this one self. So I just the special things where each of them need our code there now. So at least we can make our code now the cleaner and smaller. So we don't need these two here. We don't need this one. We're not going to need these guys. So more refresh, more see first. Okay. All right. So we'll target the button. So this button now, Ctrl C. These things come out. So the button will say make it padding be 15 pixel by 50 pixel. Refresh. Okay. Then we go see say a cursor, make cursor be pointer. Cursor pointer. We'll target this guy, move shift into Shingoma. But before then, we'll put hover here. I will say also the hover now. Make the color be the background color, sorry. Make the background color be that color as the border for them also. So say background color. And the color itself now could be that blue. Which is this? So I can't go back. Color here. So if I what is this color instead? The one with the e-sense for this place. Okay. Refresh. You see, I'm also the hover now. It change now. But I'm not like using the go fast. So I'll just come in and I'll put transition. So the button, I'll say transition. All 200 milliseconds. Ease in out. Okay, show this as fine also. So what will be this space for you now? So that space I beg. More target the eye. So inside the button, we'll get eye. This eye now, there is this icon. I took Shingom descend. So we'll not make Shingom. What we'll do now, we'll put padding. We'll see padding right now. Padding right like 10 pixels. Refresh and it'll push out. Now what they push over button now. So to push over button now, it's not supposed to get stressed now. It's not supposed to add us. But before then, we'll just target this guy for you. So target time, I'll come down and see footer.contact address P. Also make the font size maybe 18 pixels. Then font width be like 400. Refresh. You see I don't match this one here now. So we'll almost finish this thing now. We don't finish ourselves. And just this space. Most of the top space now. So what I wanna doing, if you see the text area, oh shit. Text area, more copy from here first. Margin bottom. So short like 10. Okay. I like this now. So you don't see now. We don't run the level finish. Like play. We don't design the full website too. See everything they work well. But this placeholder, I'm not like I'm not change to white. So probably maybe it not change to white because of the browser, because kind of times it be like that of browser. So this is it. We don't finish website. Bros Wegba website does set. So now if we go do all this our hosting and the rest. See, I'm starting from this first section. So now we'll not take a count down. So the thing they go. You see they go. So it is sweet. Our website won't find parts again. On the deal. I won't find parts. Waiting. Look at. I'm in love with it. So just like this now, very simple. We'll create our this thing. So this video is not too long, and thank you now for following me throughout this tutorial and this particular series. Still watch out to this same channel, Double South. Another series will come again. At least, don't say that one for there before too. They got plenty come and are going to learn and we'll take our programming ministry to the next level. I see me your little boy for the worry Big Tank of Double South. And you know, to be now like the video, subscribe to the channel and tell other people see now yeah, it happen. Thank you very much.